If you're in any part of the world, particularly Africa, and you're tired of constantly hearing there are no jobs, this video is for you. Because the truth is, there are a million and one jobs out there that you can get started on today. But they are not the traditional jobs that you have been conditioned to search for. That's why in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 remote jobs that are beginner friendly and you can start from the comfort of your home. You don't need fancy gadgets. You don't need to know how to code. You do not need email or a degree or even years of experience. You just need either your phone, a good working system, and access to internet connection, and you're good. I will not just be listing them, I'll also be explaining them. Pay attention to number 2 because I have seen firsthand how easy it is to learn on the job, to learn the skill, and also make an income from working online. So just to note, this is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes and it is not a get rich quick scheme. If you're looking to, double your money, I'm sorry, this is not the video for you. You might as well just swipe. But if you're interested in making an income out of your skill in a legit way, please stick around. I know most times when people hear working online or remote job, they immediately translate it to having an experience or even skills in cybersecurity, product management, coding, software engineering, and all of that. But working remotely goes way beyond that. Have you ever thought to wonder about the people behind those help desks on platforms like, let's say, WhatsApp, Instagram, Google? Say for instance, you have like a complaint, and or you go on the website, you see that chat box, and you get to speak with an online representative. Those people most times tend to work remotely. That's why the first job we'll be looking at is the first entry point into remote work, and that's a chat moderator. You might be asking, what is a chat moderator? What do they do? A chat moderator is someone who monitors online conversations. Basically, your job is to respond to messages, keep conversations going, enforce platform rules, remove inappropriate content. For this kind of job, you do not have to be on Zoom, you do not have to be on long calls. So you're very good at expressing yourself and communicating very clearly, then this job is most likely for you. Typically, you'll be very good at writing in English. You will need a laptop, you need a good internet network. Although some companies might require you to take a short grammar test, aside from that, there are no degrees or experience needed for securing this kind of role. Chat moderators can earn anywhere around $5 to $15 per hour, depending on how fast you can work and how consistent you are. One platform you can check is cloudworkers.com. This is the landing page. It is quite easy to navigate through it. Here you have the basic information, whether you wish to work from home or from the other side of the globe. You can choose wherever you want to work from. All that is required for a job in this role is a computer, like I mentioned earlier, stable internet connection, and competent language skills. And you are guaranteed regular income. So this is pretty much the job description. As a chat moderator, you're going to be engaged in text-based online chats on different social media platforms. So right here, if you want to apply, you just fill in your first name, your email address, your phone number, and you pick the English. Sorry, you pick the language. If it's English, if it's French, if it's German, whatever works for you. Um, you're asked if you have experience, but really though, it really doesn't matter. So even if you don't have any experience, you can get started on this because they offer trainings for this role. So yeah, let's just look at some frequently asked questions. So the first one is, I live abroad. Can I apply? Yes, absolutely. You can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have a PC and a stable internet connection. Do I have a fixed working hour? You don't have a fixed working hour. What equipment do I need for the job? You need a laptop, a PC, and internet. Please, please, please Do not pay anybody or do not listen to anybody promising you job for a fee. So it is not gender based. You can be male or female to work in this role. So this is the payment plan. Payments are made within the first 10 business days of the next month. So do I send an invoice here? Yes, you would have to send an invoice. So right here, it says training is mandatory before you may start to work and earn. You apply online, and if you are selected, you can start working remotely. The second job you want to look at is annotation, especially AI annotators. And these are for those people who are, a little bit techy, but then don't want to fully delve into software development, web designing, and all of that. If you have a good eye, this is good for you. I have a friend that works with an AI company here in Lagos, and I can bet you that that job is juicy. Basically, annotation means labeling data for AI system. And we're living in an era where there's AI for everything. If you want to release a music today, there's AI for it. I'm very sure pretty much soon we will have AI that can produce a full-blown movie. There's AI for there's AI on WhatsApp, there's ChatGPT, there's Gemini, there's literally AI for everything. And as much as it is called artificial intelligence, they still need humans for data input. Working as an annotator will require you to, label data, transcribe audio, categorize text, rate search results, and evaluate AI response. Basically, what you're doing is you're teaching AI how to think and how to act as human, if that makes sense. Right. So basically, what AI does is to mimic the human mind. So what you're doing is you're imputing that data onto the AI system, and it helps in, result output and the rest. Although the task can be repetitive, but once you understand the guideline, it becomes a routine. If you're someone with an eye for detail and you pay attention to instructions, this job would be great for you, trust me. AI annotators can earn between $6 per hour to $16 per hour, depending on the company. After watching this video, I want you to head over to Google and search for AI annotators or how to become an AI annotator. Start from there, and you can now then start applying for jobs. Just go to the career page directly from Google, and it takes you to this landing page where you have customer care, and you can see right here. I'm going to click on the AI community, and I'm just going to wait for that to load. Look through the jobs that are available. You can see software development manager, machine learning. So we are not interested in all of that. What we want is data annotation. So after scrolling through, this is personalized internet assessor in Nigeria. It's quite similar, but not exactly what we are interested in. So I'm just going to go up and search for the position that we're looking for. You can see right here, annotation. So it's just going to bring out all the available roles in that category. So let's now scroll down. You can see we have reasoning annotation project opportunity in India. And if you're interested in working there, kindly click on that. Here we have writing and annotation in Guinea Republic. There's writing annotation task too in Senegal, but you can see right there that's Fula. It's a language, Fulani. And there's another one to writing annotation task in Nigeria. Let's just check what that is about. So yeah, the country of origin is Nigeria. It's fully remote. You will be shown a text. You need to complete the paragraph with 50 to 100 words, just like I explained earlier. So you read through the description of the task and how you will be judged by your linguistics, acceptability, quality of the output, the quality of your content as well. So right here, if you look down below, it is expected to start in It's a project that's supposed to start in June 2025. So this has been up since last year. And you see the price right here, 15 USD per hour. And these are the requirements that you will be needing to get employed for this job. You need to be a native speaker of English, and yeah, pretty much how to apply. This one is quite tested and approved. There are people who are working from Africa, people who are working from Uganda with TELUS, and they are very efficient, no delays when it comes to payment, and you can start something with this one. This is absolutely great. Before we delve into the third one, if you're new on this channel, my name is Queen Bola, and on this channel, I share creative tips on how to earn and create multiple streams of income. We talk about self development and we talk about how to become better people generally. So, if this is your vibe, kindly subscribe to the channel, like, and leave a comment for me. Let me know where you're watching this video from. So the third one, which will never go out of style, in fact, it is like the core of my being, it's online tutoring. It is one skill that can help you get into, rooms. As long as you know how to teach and you know how to expand knowledge, you can start by teaching people online. Online tutoring is one of the fastest ways to start earning an income online. You can help with exam prep. There's IELTS test. There's self-pip test. There are people who are constantly looking for others to tutor them and teach them. So you can teach them basically any skill that you are good at. Sitting in front of your camera and teaching people how to make their hair for an extra bucks, teaching people how to do their makeup for an extra bucks, teaching people how to write, content writing, all of that. I mean, teaching people how to edit their CVs in a way that gets them employed faster than the average person. That's another way to earn an income. When people hear online tutoring, immediately their mind goes to, like, fancy setups and all of that. Just a simple corner in your house. You have one or two people that you are tutoring, and then they pay you a token for your service. If you can explain something clearly, you are a tutor. A great place to start would be cambly.com or preply.com. I talked about this in my previous video. If you have not seen it, I'm going to put the link right here. You can click on it and it would give you an in-depth tutorial on how to set up and how to sign up for sites like cambly and preply.com. So never forget that there's no job that is an easy job. So just because it is a work from home kind of job doesn't mean it's going to come with all the ease in the world. I want you to do your own personal assignments, keep improving yourself, take courses online, to become better at the skill that you already have, and with patience and your trust in God, you are going to land that job. If this video helped you, comment the kind of job that you're looking for and the kind of job that you're hoping to land. And I'll see you guys in my next video.